Okie dokie, let's go, everybody. We are on the precipice of a big-time warm-up around here, one like we haven't seen in, well, months, because it would have been back in 2020, a string of days in the 80s and perhaps approaching the upper 80s. We'll see about that by the time we get to Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Tower cam shot right now. It is pretty quiet out there. As it oftentimes is this time of night. We don't have much in the way of air motion. There were a few breezes I noticed when I went to get some gas after that 6 o'clock show, but nothing too big. I mean, maybe 10, 15 miles per hour. Those have come down even a bit. So at this point, temperatures running in the mid 60s here inland along the lakeshore. Yeah, a little bit cooler, as you can see there. Pentwater and Hart at 57 and 56 respectively. White Cloud probably hasn't been updated in an hour or two, but numbers starting to trail back into the upper 50s for you folks off into our northern sections. West Olive, Spring Lake, upper 50s to near 60. GR, one of the milder readings on the board at this point. Coming southward into Allegan County, Berry County, again, upper 50s to near 60 degrees right along the immediate shoreline where you were relegated to the mid to upper 60s by mid-afternoon as a lake breeze came in, so you had a head start on cooling off a little bit. But everybody kind of their bottom point in the lower 50s for tonight. We're not going to go, I don't believe, down into the upper 40s like our starting point was earlier this morning. So a little bit of a step in the right direction in the overnight period. And these overnight lows are going to be in the mid 60s by later this week, folks. So kind of a summer-like feel is what we're going to be getting into in short order. Winds, a non-factor at this point, and particularly along the lakeshore. Pretty much calm if you live from Muskegon southward of Benton Harbor. Overnight lows, as I was talking about, near 50 to 51 or 52 degrees. And the state planner for tomorrow. We started off at 7 a.m. I've got mostly clear with a moon symbol in there. That is incorrect. I should have the sunshine symbol because the sunrise is at 6:16. So by 7, 8 o'clock, temperatures already beginning to respond as that sun gets higher on the horizon, and then a mixture of sun and clouds thereafter. I think the best sunshine certainly is going to be in the morning, as just some very thin clouds will be around at the start. So pretty dominant sunshine to begin. During the afternoon, clouds do increase slowly but surely, but I've got to dry all the way through 5 o'clock. If there is going to be a shower, it'll be later tomorrow evening and through the first half of Wednesday. Highs on the board for tomorrow. Keep in mind today, had that lake breeze right along the lakeshore. So if you live in Holland to, say, South Haven, Benton Harbor, I think you're headed for the same type of a temperature regime that we're going to get to. Grand Rapids, Ionia, Hastings, Battle Creek, and Kalamazoo tomorrow. Got a southeast wind going all the way to the waterline, carrying the warm temperatures for you folks along the lakeshore. Perhaps a shower later tomorrow night, early Wednesday. Won't be a real big deal. It'll be spotty, and then we go drier for Thursday through Saturday. Perhaps the next shot for any rain would be later Sunday into Monday, but even at that point, it looks weak. I mean, there's nothing big coming in here. It's just the temperatures that'll be the story. A pair of 79s for Tuesday and Wednesday, and this is a substantial jump up. As I talked about on the earlier shows, I'm not willing to go too crazy here yet, but there is a chance that we could go even a little higher than 86, particularly by Saturday and Sunday, pending cloud cover that will be out there. Rain amounts on the European model showing 1/10 of an inch through Sunday at 8 p.m. Can you believe that? I mean, we're getting these warm temps. The drought continues around here. When it doesn't want to rain, folks, it just doesn't want to rain. I mean, we've had a little, but it's just not a whole lot. These two weather systems, I've got two L's there. Low pressure, one down to the south. That's the system that comes pretty much due north into Wisconsin. Could drag a shower in here overnight tomorrow into Wednesday morning. And then the next one behind it over Colorado, believe it or not, Derek and Janice, that one goes further westward, so not going to even give us anything, I don't think, and that helps pump the ridge. I mean, there's a lot of clouds to our south and southwest right now, but this ridge of high pressure starts to build in, and that means rising heights in the atmosphere, warmer temperatures, minimizing any chance for precipitation. Perhaps later Sunday into Monday, cold front arrives. We'll see about that. Showers would have a better chance at that time.
All right, Anthony, we shall see. We could use it. A problem most cities don't have.